Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for July 30th, 2021. First up this week, following an update to CDC guidance, Walt Disney World and Disneyland have reinstated face covering mandates as of today, July 30th. Guests visiting either resort will once again need to wear face coverings at indoor locations, as well as on all attractions. This requirement will apply to all cast members and all guests 2 years old and older, regardless of vaccination status. As a reminder, for the latest Disney Parks policies, be sure to check out the resort's website. Turning to streaming news, this week Entertainment Weekly gave us a first look at the upcoming series Hawkeye, while also announcing a premiere date for the show. Hawkeye will find star Jeremy Renner reprising his role as Clint Barton and be joined by Haley Steinfeld playing the fan favorite Kate Bishop. Additionally, Florence Pugh will once again play Yelena Belova, who viewers met in Black Widow. Hawkeye will debut on Disney Plus Wednesday, November 24th. In some good news for fans of the Love Simon-verse, Hulu has renewed the series Love Victor for a third season. The popular series tells the story of Victor Salazar, a new student at Creekwood High, who moves with his family from rural Texas to Atlanta. If you'll recall, Love Victor was originally slated to be a Disney Plus original before making the move over to its sister streamer. No release date for Season 3 has been revealed, but you can catch up on the first 2 seasons right now on Hulu. With her new album Happier Than Ever dropping today, multi-Grammy award-winning artist Billie Eilish recently announced that her new concert special will be headed to Disney Plus. Happier Than Ever, a love letter to Los Angeles, will feature Eilish performing every song from her record on stage at the iconic Hollywood Bowl alongside her brother Phineas, the Los Angeles Children's Chorus, the Los Angeles Philharmonic, and more. The special was directed by acclaimed filmmaker Robert Rodriguez, as well as Patrick Osborne. Commenting on the concert event, Eilish said, "Disney is incredibly iconic, so to collaborate on something like this is a huge honor. To be able to present my album in this way and dedicate it to the city that I love and grew up in is so exciting to me." Happier Than Ever, a love letter to Los Angeles, will premiere on Friday, September 3rd on Disney Plus. Finally this week, while a brewing legal battle between Disney and Black Widow star Scarlett Johansson is grabbing most of the headlines, the company has announced home video release dates for the film. Marvel's Black Widow will be available for digital download on August 10th, followed by a DVD, Blu-ray, and 4K Ultra HD physical release on September 14th. Additionally, as previously revealed, the movie will be available to all Disney Plus subscribers on October 6th. Until then, you can catch Marvel's Black Widow in theaters and on Disney Plus with Premiere Access. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!